The amount of RAM you need for your system often depends on the use case scenario. Are you going to use it for pure gaming, school, work, or demanding software applications? Although you can currently still get away with using 16 gigabytes for most gaming and application needs, taking a look at your resource monitor shows you that 32 gigabytes is the new comfortable margin. This is ideal for a gaming system if you're using a Ryzen CPU on the AM5 platform, where 6000 MHz RAM sticks are the sweet spot for performance and price. What's up, guys? Charles here. At Amazon, you can pick up the 32 gigabyte Patriot Viper Venom DDR5-6000 RGB RAM offer for just $92. The 32 gigabyte RAM has two 16 gigabyte RAM sticks, which is preferred for an AM5 setup. The Patriot Viper Venom RGB sticks feature RGB lighting that you can sync up with your motherboard or lighting software for a colorful disco experience. Two 16 gigabyte sticks have 288 pin connections with timings of 36, 36, 36, 76 and a CAS latency of CL36 and 1.25 voltage. And if you're looking for the best DDR5 RAM for gaming, be sure to check the pinned comment. So if you're looking for a good deal on a RAM upgrade for your existing build or even a new gaming rig, then you can't go wrong with this RAM. You can get DDR5-6000 RAM with tighter timings, but the actual speeds and performance will be unperceivable outside of benchmarking software, and the cost is usually a lot more. However, if you can find 30 gigabyte RAM sticks at the same price, then that would be a better option.